Welcome. Today we'll show you how to streamline your financial operations by setting up and managing recurring invoices on the platform. To begin, navigate to the Sales module from the main dashboard. Next, select the Invoices option to view your billing history. Access the Repeating tab to manage your automated billing cycles. Start a new automation by clicking the Add Repeating Invoice button. Define how often this transaction should repeat, such as monthly or weekly. Choose the client for this invoice and assign a unique template name for easy identification. Input the service or product details, including description and cost. Once configured, review the invoice details and verify everything is ready for saving. Once reviewed, save the template to activate the recurring schedule. To manage a specific cycle, click on the template name to view its configuration. You can manually record transactions here. Click Receive a Payment to proceed. Specify the exact amount received for this transaction. Finally, click the button to record the payment and update the invoice status. The Repeating tab provides a centralized view of all your automated invoices, allowing you to track schedules and active statuses at a glance. Eliminate manual data entry and get paid faster. Book a demo with us today to see the full power of automation.